Before your workout gear, water bottle or food packaging reaches your hands, there's a fascinating industrial process most people never see. Meet purified terephthalic acid, or PTA. It's the building block for polyester fiber and PET resin. But making it safely requires surviving a two-stage chemical gauntlet that would destroy most materials. Stage 1, oxidizing paraxylene in acetic acid at scorching temperatures and crushing pressures. Stage 2, introducing hydrogen, removing water and crystallizing pure white PTA powder. This acidic, high-pressure environment eats through ordinary metals like acid through paper. That's why PTA producers rely on titanium's legendary corrosion resistance. But there's a problem. Solid titanium equipment costs are astronomical. Building large reactors and heat exchangers from pure titanium would bankrupt most projects before they start. 50 years ago, innovative engineers discovered something remarkable. They could literally explode a thin layer of titanium onto structural steel. This DetaClad explosion welding process changed everything. The result? Titanium-clad steel that delivers titanium's corrosion resistance at a fraction of the cost. These massive plates, far larger than any solid titanium could achieve, reduce fabrication time, minimize welds and slash equipment costs by 15 to 20%.